Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Google Chrome extension on an Android browser. Please make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. As you're well aware, Chrome extensions are not compatible with Android's Chrome browser. So if you want to use your favorite Chrome extensions on your mobile device, you will have to use another browser. So head over to your Play Store, type in Kiwi browser and click onto it and install it. Wait a few moments for it to download and install, and once done, click on open. Okay, it's now installed, so I'm going to click on open, click on continue. Now while you're on this page, click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand corner of your screen and you should see extensions. Click into it. This will take you to another page. Click on the three lines and then go down. Bottom left hand corner of your screen should be Open Chrome Web Store. Click into that. So it'll open up a page like this. And now here, just type in your extension you want to download and install. For this example, I'm just going to type in a VPN. I'm going to click on the hollow one. And then if you zoom out a little bit, it should say add to Chrome. So click onto that. Click on OK. And there you go, you can see it's installing. To go into your settings for this extension, click on your three dots, top right hand corner of your screen. Click on extensions. And there you go. You can see this extension has been installed to the Kiwi browser. And I can go ahead and enable it, disable it for VPN on this device. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thanks for watching it till the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.